Hello there and welcome back. I'm Mrs. O, here to support my parents, students, and teachers with everything math related, Edtech tips, and educational resources. Once again, I come prepared to share with you some of the more advanced features of Whiteboard.Chat. Did you know that Whiteboard.Chat has features that work well with supporting our struggling learners? Let's find out how. Do you ever have students that need you to repeat instructions more than once, or maybe they come into class late and miss the directions for an assignment that you've just explained? I'm sure that never happens to you, but just in case it does, Whiteboard.Chat allows you to embed audio recordings so that you can record detailed instructions for students. Let me show you how. Simply go to the menu bar on the left and select Add Media. Then select Add Webcam. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that before you record, check to ensure that you've enabled access to your camera and audio. Give your recording a title and get ready to record. Okay, boys and girls, these are the directions for the partner game. Once you're done with the recording, this audio recording icon appears. And if you need to, you can adjust it to where you would like it to show up for students. Here's an example of what it would look like from a student's vantage point. The icon is right where you left it, and they simply press play. Boys and girls, these are the directions for the part. And they can pause it at any given point in time, rewind, and replay it as often as necessary. And what's great about this audio recording capability is that students can do the same. So for your English language learners or students who struggle with writing or difficulty expressing themselves, perhaps having this option to record what they've learned will be a great alternative. They would simply go to Add Media and then they'll select Add Webcam. One note to remember if you're going to enable that capability for students, here back at the teacher's board, you have to make sure that you allow them to do so in the settings by clicking the settings icon up here that looks like a little screw. And here you see the option Enable Webcam and Video Recording. Once that's checked off, you make sure you save it, and students will be able to record from that point. You can also embed interactive websites that have virtual manipulatives for students to use, like PhET simulations, toy theater, and many others. And if you're interested in a great list of virtual math resources, make sure to check the description box down below for a link to my Wakelet. To add a website or video tutorial, simply go to the menu bar on the left and select Tools, then Website. A plus sign will appear next to your cursor. And now all you have to do is position the website just where you want it. Then you go ahead and find the web address, copy it, and you'll go ahead and paste it right where it says URL. Click enter and voila, there you have it. Now let's get ready to check it out from a student's vantage point. Here we can see it from a student's vantage point. Students have full access to the website like they normally would if they would have opened it up into another browser. But that's what's great about this capability of embedding. It keeps students focused on the lesson and prevents them from having to constantly open up other browsers and toggling back and forth from your shared screen and the whiteboard. Another great tool that Whiteboard.Chat has for struggling students is Immersive Reader. To use Immersive Reader, you must upload a PDF. Once you've selected your PDF, you're going to double-click it so that additional options appear and select Read in Immersive Reader. Press play and listen as it works.
Place value / compare / 2. Select 4 cards and create a place value.
You can adjust the speed by selecting the volume icon. I will go ahead and increase the speed, and let's see what that sounds like.
Cards make a number. Round.
You also have the option of changing it from a female's voice to a male's voice.
Following topics. Rounding. Addition / subtraction.
Well, I hope you've learned more about some of the advanced features of Whiteboard.Chat. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to check out some of these other videos that review some of the basic features and includes great lesson ideas. Check the description box down below for direct links. As always, thank you for watching. And to continue to support my channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to share it with your colleagues. And until next time, take care.